Howdy folks, this is Jenny Ledwell with Ledwell Realty. I am at my 1436 DN Street. This is a 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath, 2-story home with entertaining on the bottom floor and an open concept floor plan. Let's come in and take a look. So from here, you can see the front elevation offers a hardy plank facade. It was just recently painted in 2020. It has lots of custom millwork throughout the exterior and the interior. Very, very quintessential of the Heights. And you can see here that the balcony has a ceiling fan and recessed lighting. This is going to be offered at $435,000. It's really close to everything, close to 610, 290 inside the loop, 45, I-10. You can really just zip around Houston anywhere from this location. Close to everything that the Heights has to offer. Bars, eateries, restaurants on 19th Street, on Shepherd, on 20th. It's really close distance to Cedar Creek and all of the restaurants that are offered off of 20th Street. And then additionally, everything that's offered on Shepherd as well. So like I said, in the heart of the Heights, very, very centrally located. So as we walk in the front door, you run into the kitchen, essentially, into a very open concept floor plan that has entertaining on the bottom floor and all of the bedrooms on the second floor. This home is a 2-story, which is nearly impossible to come by at this point in Houston. Dirt has just gotten so expensive that builders are just basically putting one floor on top of the other, foregoing any kind of backyard, and doing that in order to capitalize the amount of money that they have to spend on the dirt. So this one is one of those that was built a bit ago in the early 2000s, but it's going to offer you a floor plan that in many ways is more ideal than some other places, because you don't have to walk to the 3rd floor to get to your master bedroom, and all bedrooms are on the same floor. So back to the kitchen. As we walk in, you can see we're walking right into the kitchen. The door here, notice all the custom millwork around all the doors and windows in this house. This leads to a large pantry. We have stainless steel appliances, gas, cooktop and stove, granite countertops, designer fixtures, and recessed lighting throughout the whole bottom floor. From here, we will walk into the living room. Notice the wood floors on the 1st floor. We have our dining area here and living area here. So really nice open concept floor plan. And you can see outside to the patio area. Get a better angle from over here. Got a nice little coffee area here. Wish I could do on live, but not possible. If you look at the listing, we will also have a 3D tour and a virtual tour that will offer wide angle, so you can capture more of the room in the space than what I'm able to do on Facebook Live. But just take a look at the light coming through. It's a very, very gloomy day here in Houston, Texas, and you can still see all the light that's coming through these windows. We'll walk out to the backyard. Really, really, really nice space. Very, very hard to come by nowadays inside the Loop in Houston. Once again, this is Jenny Ledwell from Ledwell Realty. I am at 1436 DN in the heart of the Heights. This home is going to be offered at $435. Should be on the market today. 3-bedroom, 2 full bath with a half bath, 2-story, entertaining down, and all bedrooms up. Just keep taking a look at all that millwork. I just love it. So we walk through here and we have a half bath. Very convenient for guests with granite countertops. I like the color they have that painted. Through this door is a nicely appointed coat closet. Okay, and now we're gonna head upstairs. I like that there's wood on these stairs. A lot of homes in this age range, year built range, actually put carpet on the stairs, and so that's a nice addition, an expensive upgrade. Got the 2 stories here. All right, so coming into the hallway, in this direction we have 2 secondary bedrooms, a really large closet, secondary bath, and laundry room. As we come in this direction to the ensuite primary bedroom, we have double closets. One is here, and the other one is in the ensuite bath. From here, as we walk through, you can also note again the custom millwork, an ample room for a king-size bed, and lots of furniture. Through those double doors, you'll be able to go into see the balcony. And also note that we have tray ceilings, crown molding, and recessed lighting. Let's take a look at the balcony here. Loads of space here. Uh-oh. Weather is not great here, so some of our cushions are coming over. But here, it's a great place to sit, hang out after a long day. Okay. So now we'll go and take a look at the ensuite bathroom. Nice slate floors, shower alcove with floor to ceiling tile work. See that there? Standalone jetted tub. Walk back here and get a better angle of the dual vanity sinks and loads and loads of cabinetry. Through here, you're able to see a large master closet, primary closet, my apologies. So this ensuite primary offers double closets. As we walk through the hallway, We will first take a look at the 2 secondary bedrooms. This one right here is going to be used as a nursery, or it is being used as a nursery. Come over here and give you a better angle. Quite a bit of room in here. With a large closet. Note the millwork again. Once again, I'm a little bit limited by the camera. On the listing, there will be a 3D tour as well as a virtual tour with a wide angle lens so you can see more of the rooms. From here, you can see our 3rd bedroom. This is another secondary. All you're really seeing is wall right now with large closet. And then coming through here, you will find a nicely sized laundry room. It's definitely a nice extra feature. Here is also a large closet. And this little guy here it's connected to the master closet primary closet, and you put your laundry in there and then it's close to the laundry room right there. Once again, we're at 1436 Dean. Great 2-story home in the heart of the Heights, offered at $435. The listing will be active shortly, and we will be holding an open house. We'll be holding an open house here this Sunday from 2 to 4 if you want to come and take a look at it. I know it's Valentine's Day, and I know that, the weather that's coming our direction is not ideal, but come out and take a look. Additionally, from your friendly neighborhood realtor, make sure to cover your pipes. Make sure to turn off the water to your sprinkler systems this weekend. Be sure to winterize your house. And most importantly, take care of your pets. They don't deserve to be outside during this weather. Bring them inside with your family. All right, y'all have a good day. Thank you.